everybody, welcome back here to Haywood Valley Raceway, hometown track of Chase Family Racing. And today I thought I might run a few Johnny Lightnings down the track. I really enjoy a lot of the Johnny Lightning cars, and somebody had asked me before if I had any fast Johnny Lightnings, and I said, no, not really. I do have a few pleasant surprises that happen once in a while when you run one down the track, but overall, I would not call the ones that I have fast. It's just an unfortunate reality with most Johnny Lightnings. If you're lucky and you know what you're doing as far as lube goes, yeah, you can get some speed out of them. But since I'm unlucky and I'm an idiot, I'm pretty much average at best. But that's not going to stop me. Let's see what we got on the table today. Capri, Johnny Lightning, Chevy Capri. Nice looking car. Actually, comes in at 42.9. This car will likely crash. Wow, 10.28. All right, well, that's the fastest he's ever run. Most of the time it just crashes for one reason or another. This one is from the Thunder Wagons editions of these Johnny Lightnings. It's actually pretty sweet. I don't know if it has an actual name to it, but if you can read it, great. Let's see. It's got a decent weight to him. 45.1. All right, not bad. I'd like to see what he can do on a drag track. That would be nice. Oh, we got the Monte Carlo coming in at 46.6. Cool car, definitely cool. Hey, yikes, 11:03. Well, not a time I wanted to see, but what are you gonna do? Oh, there's another classic at 53.2. This is the GTO. Yeah, that's it. You know, Johnnies have that thing about them where you got these caps on the wheels, and you try to get in there from the back, or you pop them off to try to lube them up. But like some of these older ones don't have that, and you can get in there. 11.44. All right. So let's check this one out. 56.3. The Chevy Impala. Get this brand new, and well, one of these hubcaps popped right off, and I can't get it to stay in no matter what I do. Another cap popped off. This is the cap that it came with. I took this off of a Firebird to try to put on in there to see if that would hold. Seems to be holding, but would rather have all the originals. I think it's a sharp looking car. Come on, Johnny Lightning. 11.23. Oh my God. Well, not as nice as you'd like to see. Oh well, what are you gonna do? These Johnny Lightnings are like scratch tickets. If you spend enough money, you're bound to get lucky once in a while. There's this very cool black with flames Pontiac GTO. Not the good GTOs, the new ones that are ugly. 53.3. Come on, Johnny. 11.38. Well, not a lot of lightning in this Johnny. Johnny Lightning. It's more like Johnny Frightening, because the times are so slow, they're scary. Or actually, with times this conservative, we should call him Johnny Right Wing. All right. I better post a disclaimer. Get this Studebaker, Coca-Cola Studebaker. It's pretty narrow, so he struggles a little bit, but possibly on a drag track would be nicer. 11.15. Not too bad. But as you can see, as far as typical orange track, he's all over the road. Ooh, this Chevy Cyclone. Classic pickup truck. 55.6. Oh, yep, that's a typical Johnny Lightning truck performance. Not much I can do about that. It is what it is. At 51.3. This is the Plymouth Satellite Spoilers Edition. Man, this is a sharp looking car. When I first got it, I was very upset because it ran like crap. Looked great, but looked like crap, but it wouldn't make it down the track. $10.88. All right. Also another narrow one, but man, he's cool. So yeah, that is a few Johnnies. I know I got a couple in here. Now this thing has got wonky wheels, that white roof, white interior. Give it a little push here. Really good at left-hand turns. Probably should put some NASCAR badging on it. But when it's contained in a track, not too bad. .92, and I know he can do better than that, because I've seen him get down to like 10.6 something. Now this Ford tow truck, 58.3. Now he's got a little speed. If he doesn't crash. .87. All right. Finally, something deserving of the term lightning. Yeah, that truck rips. It's cool. Work in progress. This is a 55.1. I believe this one is a Mercury Cyclone. Different hubcaps on it. Different colors. It's for sale. This doesn't handle the curves all that well, but I think on a straight track, that would be all right. .6.5. Let's see, yeah, we got Black with Flames, Hemi Cuda, blah, blah. Everybody's got those. You know, I try not to run them too much because nobody wants to see this guy hit the floor. But no sense in just looking at him. .06. Not too bad. Not as fast as the tow truck. But I think he could be. Oh man. Science Friction. Now this thing is pretty sweet, weighs about 43 grams, I think. .89. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, whatever. Got some stuff in there, but anyways, wanted to run a few Johnny Lightnings, show the weights of them, give people an idea who don't have any what to expect out of them. I picked up a couple of the those new, they call them hybrid speed models. This is the Acura. This one's got a metal base on it, 46.9. Metal body, metal base. .10. Chevy. Let's see here, we got this shoebox, 52.6. Something I've been working on. Had a plastic base, swapped it with a metal base. Made the front wheel wells a little bit bigger so I could put a bigger wheel on there. Painted a lot of it, the plastic stuff, black. Let's see. .88. All right. Sharp looking car indeed. There's no added weight into that, just natural weight. Oh, man. From the new Accelerator series, this is the Revert at 67.3. Whew. This thing is heavy. Not great on this track, probably because of the curves and whatnot, but on a straight track, 9.88. I think he'll be all right. This thing is cool, and it is heavy. You don't see a lot of new Hot Wheels coming in at that weight. And yeah, hey, look at that, 20 minutes already. Just wanted to run a few Johnnies. Oh, man, let's see. Now here's a beauty, look at these colors. Camaro Wind, California Customs. Camaro Wind, 55 grams. And look at that. Phew. Hideous. Hideously cool. 55 grams. Yeah, cool though. Not a gorgeous car, but fast. And one last thing, neon speeder, that BMW 50.5. I know these could be hit or miss. I think this one's right in the middle. .10. All right. I think he'll end up being a decent track car. Oh, not too long ago I got my car back from Manchild Motorsports, 58.8. This was the Chevy Bel Air that had won Best in Show. Just all around cool car. Put some decals on it, wheels, all that stuff. And it didn't do well there. But it does all right here. And one last thing, last video I did, I had ended with this race bait Ferrari that made it all the way to right there before it died. It could go no further. Today, it goes a little further. That's not the car's fault. But you can hear these wheels, how unround they are. Let's listen. It has that woof, 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 woof. It's too bad. If the wheels were a little more round, it'd be all right. 11.12. Certainly never going to be a track champion, but just wanted to try some new techniques and see if we could get anything out of it. And we got something out of it. Not much, but something. All right, if you stayed to the end of this, you must have zero to do. All right, everybody take care, and we will see you out on the track somewhere, sometime soon. Or maybe even here, who knows? All right, take care. Oh, and we'll run one more. We got this mod rod getting worked up for the 35 gram and under category over at the upcoming tournament, drag race tournament there at Drifter Diecast. They're hosting their first male in tournament, 4 weight categories. I've got 1 entry for each category, and this is 35 gram and under. .71. All right. I think he'll do all right over there. So excited for that. And one more entry for the 50 gram and under category, 49.6. We got the Mustang Dark Horse. .75. Heavier than the mod rod and a few ticks slower. Perfect. That's just how I build them. See ya.